Okay, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining me today. And I don't have much time today either, so we're going to make this course very brief and short and to the point. So, with that being said, let's just dive right in, okay? So first of all, we're going to be discussing what the benefits of social media marketing are. Now, obviously, you already kind of know that there are benefits, otherwise you wouldn't be here and learning more about social media. So let's just go right ahead. First of all, it's going to help you reach more people in new markets. Maybe you already have an email list that you're building from your blog or your website or your landing page, and that's awesome. You should always be gathering email subscribers. However, social media can also help you expand that reach that you're getting from your websites or your landing page or your e-commerce sites. First of all, you're reaching different types of people, right? Maybe your email marketing subscribers, maybe they mostly prefer to just be interacting with you through email, but then you're going to have people that would rather just interact with you on Facebook or maybe Twitter or Instagram or other types of social media sites. So that's going to help you reach people in new markets. It also provides a new platform for you to market your brand and attracts new people to interact with you. So we touched on that a little bit. Like you need to think of these different types of marketing platforms. They're definitely not all created equally. And different platforms will attract different types of people. And that's very key to understand and know. And the other thing that I want to bring up to you, and I'm going to be touching on this through the entire course, is that you don't have to dominate all the social media channels. Just because there's 6 to 8 huge social media channels out there doesn't mean that you have to be on every single one. Some social media platforms are better for certain things than others. So with that being said, you're going to have different types of people that are attracted to different social media sites. People that use Instagram are probably not always going to be the people that also use LinkedIn. Those are two very different types of markets. One is very visual and very quick and very, updated and what's recent and what's hot. And the other one is what's recent, what's hot, but only for business related things and business people and professionals. So those are two very different types of markets. It also serves as social proof for your brand. So as you continue to grow your website, landing page, e-commerce stores, whatever it may be, you're going to build up a subscriber list, an email list, and that's kind of private to you. Not everyone knows how many people are on your email list, and that's okay. But social proof is a huge buying trigger, and it's a psychological buying trigger. So when we have reviews and we have video testimonials and we have a bunch of social media followers or people that are following our pages, that all serves as social proof for our brand and our company. So that's why another great reason why social media is great is because as we begin engaging more and building a community on these various platforms, that actually goes to prove, how are these people as teachers? How are they at giving people valuable, helpful information? Do they give a lot of discounts or how do they provide value? But obviously, if people have a lot of social media followers, they're providing value in some great way. So that is another great reason for social media marketing. Also, it allows you to collect even more information about your audience. So as you become more engaged in social media marketing, let's say that you are doing Facebook and you are focused on growing your Facebook groups, your private Facebook groups, and utilizing those in different ways. As you do that, and over time, you're going to be able to tap into that data. And especially once you begin advertising, if you do any type of like Facebook advertising or any type of paid advertising on these social media sites, it's going to really allow you to tap in and to see even more info on your audience. Facebook especially it's almost a little scary how much information you can gather and see on your audience, especially once I know this is for advertising, but I just want to prove a point, because the more that you invest in these platforms, the more information they give you in return. So just using Facebook advertising as an example, if you do that and you have installed your little Facebook pixel on your landing page or your website, then Facebook gets to track all those visitors that are seeing your content and going to your various websites. So that's allowing them to track and gather all of that data for you to see and utilize later on through advertising or different various ways. And I know that they gather quite a bit of data, like even down to you can qualify people for advertising even based on how much money they make or what kinds of credit cards they have or how many credit cards they have. And these are very personal things, if someone's married or not. These are all things that can be filters on who you're targeting in various advertising revenues. Now, again, I'm touching on advertising, which is a little bit out of the borders on what we're going to be focused on today, but I just want to be showing you that this is another benefit of getting involved in social media marketing and how you can utilize all of that info at your disposal.